Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw lollipops. So let's get begin. Let's draw the lollipop with me. First I draw the heart shape of lollipop.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Second I draw the round shape lollipop.
E-I-E-I-O. With a grunt grunt here and a grunt grunt there. Here a grunt, there a grunt, everywhere a grunt grunt. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Let's draw the mini hearts around the lollipops.
Had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Now friends, let's come and color the rainbow lollipops together. Pink, brown, dark yellow, light blue, light green, red, purple, orange, green, yellow, light blue, orange, brown, pink, light pink, now color the mini hearts together. Amazing! The lollipops look so beautiful. If you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.